We'd like to show you one of the applications we've built for the Diver platform called ProgramAdvisor. The ProgramAdvisor is a tool for distributors to manage all of their programs across all of their suppliers and across all of their SKUs. ProgramAdvisor will help you understand where programs are at, how they are trending, and where to focus energies. ProgramAdvisor works on the iPad, Windows tablets, or PCs. We're looking at a ProgramAdvisor dashboard for a mid-level sales manager named Paul Bovine. He has two managers he reports to in Tier 5 and 4, and there are two tiers of salespeople who report to him. This dashboard shows all of Paul's programs for all time. We see here that all programs filter is active. We can also just show active programs and current programs. There are 9 types of programs that Paul has been working: accounts sold goal, bottles goal, brand points goal, cases goal, dollars goal, new accounts sold and new placements goals and reoccurring accounts sold. We see the number of programs for each here and how many he hit and how many he missed. We see the percentage Paul has hit as well as the payouts. Here are Paul's payouts, and here are Paul's team's payouts. Here is a list of Paul's direct reports. This shows the number of programs, the number hit, and the number missed. Here we see a graph showing the programs and the number hit. We now want to dive deeper into Paul's programs. By clicking on the Programs column here, we open a view showing a list of all of Paul's programs in more detail. We see the program description here, whether the goal was met or missed, the current number, the goal, the variance, and the goal achievement factor. The GAF indicates what the probability is that Paul will meet his goal, indicated by a green arrow pointing up, or whether he'll miss his goal with a red arrow pointing down. If he's close, and it could go either way, a yellow dot will be displayed. This column shows the payouts. If there's a payout to Paul or his team, it will be indicated here. Next, the inventory on hand and the program ID. ProgramAdvisor has many other filters built in and displayed here as quick views. Let's look at the program types. This displays the current program types for Paul. To filter on just accounts sold, we double-click on accounts sold. Now we see a list of all the programs for accounts sold. We can return to the previous page by opening Type again and selecting All Values. From the Payouts column, we can sort the payouts by clicking on the column and selecting the Sort Down option. We now see that there are 11 programs with payouts. Let's select the first program by clicking on it. We now see lots of information about this program, including the number of customers, chains, brands, products, and sales reps involved. But to get even deeper into this, let's select the Program Analyzer here. This now shows all the brands that participated in this program. We can also add information from each of the columns. From the Cases column, we can sort it down. We can also expand it to show last year's cases and variants. We unexpand it by clicking on the Cases column header again and unclick Expand. Other columns available are the percent, revenue, and percent of revenue, as well as profit in dollars. There are several other data columns here that we can use for our analysis. Next, we might want to see these brands by premise type. When there's a yellow right-facing arrow here, it indicates that there are several other columns of data to be displayed. Clicking on Expand Dive Dimensions will show all the other columns, including customer premise. Click on the customer premise header and select Add Multicolumn, which adds the premise column. Clicking on the yellow arrow again will collapse the other dimensions, returning us to our original view with the customer premise remaining. We can save this report by clicking here and clicking the Bookmark Page button. We name the report. Let's call it 483. We click OK, and now it's saved. From the menu page, we select the Bookmarked Page button. We can see the report we saved, and we can reopen that report. We can also export this report as a PDF or a spreadsheet. We can email the PDF or spreadsheet from here or print the report. By clicking here, we can easily go back to the Program Detail view. The Program Analyzer feature allows you to see all the information you need to manage your programs. ProgramAdvisor gives us the visibility to see what we need to see, when we need to see it, and how we need to see it to help us better manage all our programs.